In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add login page on Dawn Theme Shopify. We'll turn on customer accounts in your Shopify settings and then surface the login link in the Dawn theme header so shoppers can sign in or create an account from anywhere on your site. Start by opening your Shopify store in a browser and sign in to your admin. If you land on the storefront first, use the store menu to jump into the admin home dashboard. In the admin sidebar, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the Dawn theme you're working on and select it so we're editing the right version. Before a login link can appear, customer accounts need to be enabled. Click Settings at the bottom of the admin and choose Checkout. In the Customer Accounts area, change the setting from Off to the option that fits your workflow. Optional if you want to offer guest checkout alongside accounts, or required if every customer must sign in. After you make your choice, be sure to save. Next, still in Settings, open Customer Accounts. Here you can confirm accounts are enabled and choose the account experience you prefer, such as the classic sign-in and registration flow. Keep your selection active so Shopify knows to display the login interface for your store. Now head back to Online Store and open the theme editor for Dawn by selecting Customize. When the editor loads, it will show a live preview of your store on the right and a settings sidebar on the left. Use the sidebar to open the header section. In the header settings, enable the option to show customer accounts. Depending on your version of Dawn, this may display as a person icon, a login link, or both. As soon as you toggle it on, look at the preview. You should see the account icon or login text appear in the header. Clicking it in the preview will take you to the built-in login page where customers can sign in or create an account. A few quick tips while you're here. If you set accounts to required, customers will be prompted to log in before completing checkout. With optional, guest checkout remains available. On mobile, make sure the header isn't too crowded. If needed, adjust your navigation so the account icon stays visible. And remember that any content changes you make in the theme editor are reflected in real time in the preview. That's all you need to add a login page to the Dawn theme in Shopify. Thanks for